Do you ever have trouble catching your breath when you're physically exerting yourself or emotionally feel exhausted? Well, I have a strategy for you, and it's called the victorious breath. And I'd like to demonstrate that using a weight. So when you hold the weight in your hand, you actually want to breathe in through your nose first. Breathe in. Now, on the exhale, you're going to breathe out your nose by closing your mouth, and that's when you lift the weight. And that is going to help support more strength in your arm as you're lifting, and then engaging your core is going to help increase your lung capacity and give you that victory over your mind under physical or emotional distress. And so remember, closing the mouth, breathing in through the nose, and then as you're lifting, that's when you breathe out your nose. You're going to feel stronger and you're going to have more endurance, whether it's physical or emotional duress, with your victorious breath. Now, another name for this is called Ujjayi breathing, and it means victory over your mind. And so that's why I practice this daily, when I need emotional support or physical support when I do weights. So if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me. Subscribe for more mood elevating tips. Namaste.